The Mould King 110-130 V8 engine model kit is an exciting project for car enthusiasts, featuring 2,718 pieces to build a detailed replica of a classic V8 engine. This model kit simulates a real engine by incorporating an XL motor and adjustable speed gears, offering kids and adults a hands-on experience in mechanical engineering. As a STEM project, it encourages learning through observation of engine operations and realistic engine sounds, making it both educational and entertaining. Its dimensions of 14.4 by 12.8 by 10.4 inches make it a substantial model, perfect for display or as an impressive gift. The kit is packaged in an elegant original color box, making it an ideal choice for birthdays or Christmas presents for family and friends. Mould King offers professional support, ensuring that any issues with missing parts or other problems during assembly are promptly addressed.